Ready to brew some delicious espresso? It's always a good idea to cycle some hot water through the system before each use to unclog any old grounds or buildup. So go ahead and either put your milk jug under it or let it run directly into the drip pan and hit the 1 cup button. Then attach the portafilter as shown and turn counterclockwise into the fully locked position. Place 1 or 2 cups underneath and then choose the 1 or 2 cup button. The gauge displays the ideal pressure range in red. Pressure outside of the optimal range, as indicated by the gauge, may be due to the following reasons. 1, if the pressure level is too high, the coffee grinds may be too fine or overly compacted and not allowing enough water through quickly enough. To correct, try using a coarser grind or less compaction. 2, if the pressure level is too low, the grinds may be too coarse or the grinds are not compacted enough, allowing too much water through too quickly. To correct, use finer grounds and more compaction if needed. This can take a bit of trial and error, and you'll also notice that it affects the flavor of your espresso, so experiment a bit in order to see what tastes best to you. FYI, the optimal grinding range is 8 to 15, which is indicated on the hopper, so start there and then adjust if needed. Also, always use fresh beans. Beans that are stale or over a month old after opening will create a bitter, less creamy espresso. That's it. Making espresso really couldn't be more simple using the Ultima Cosa Espresso machine.